I have no idea what the hell. Is it recording us? Weird. Me?
What?
This.
Oh. Whoa, that's crazy. In my face, crazy. Oh my god. It's embarrassing.
Isn't it?
Put that away. I wonder if it'll do anything. If it'll do what it's supposed to.
I set it to 360 and 4K
you did?
30. I mean,
Ooh,
hope so.
that's cool. So, is it okay if I try and go, or should
Sure.
I wait?
I'll go for it.
I'm gonna send it off over here. I love this little thing, this remote.
Yeah. What the? Whoa, there's a TV tower over here.
TV tower?
Uh-huh.
Weird. This thing is so fucking fast. So a drone?
Yeah.
This is ripping, man. I'm not used to this. Fast ripping shit. Ooh, geez. So you went down a trail, huh?
Yeah, behind us.
Oh, I see.
I gotta come back though. Dead battery.
Yeah, it's hard to see the trail because it's all pixelated at the bottom.
Oh.
You notice it or no?
Nope.
Hmm.
Whew. Well, that was fun. Now I remember what this is all about.
Kill the prop already. At least I didn't kill the camera. I like this little thing though. It's a happy little bitch. Alright, you said you got tools somewhere?
This?
Thank you. Here's man. Oh yeah, that prop is dunzo, man. Holy Christ.
Switching?
Should I turn my goggles off or is it okay?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Really? Oh no, I wasn't thinking. Wait, where is yours? Is it right next to me? Oh my god, it's like right next to me.
It's fine.
Jesus fuck. I'll be over here. It's fine. Says no one ever. I'm scared.
You tell I'm rusty.
That's my fucking GoPro again. Oh no!
What?
I dropped the screw.
Oh. Huh.
It's right there.
I don't
Got
know.
it. Whew, that was good. This is not panning out to be a very good evening so far. But it's fun. That's a cute little screwdriver, man. Where are you going?
Jesus.
What?
Getting through that building was not for the faint of heart.
No, it's hard. Did you make it through?
Yeah.
That's it for this adventure. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, same. I think so.
I think we got some good footy too. We're not flying for how many months? Oh my god, it's been forever.
Yeah, look at this place.
I know, this is gorgeous. Listen, nothing.
I hear a bird.